Hello, this is Joe. Yes, can you tell me why ants don't get sick? Honestly, I have no idea. Because they have very little antibodies. Oh, wow. Wow, this whole conversation is starting to bug me. Aren't you, isn't it time for you to go take a lunch or something? Oh, that's right. I almost forgot. Yeah, me and the missus, we went to this place called Captain Mike's Fish and Grits. Oh man, it was epic. Anyway, I'm excited because I got a bunch of leftovers I'm about to microwave, so I'll talk to you later. Yeah, you do that. Antibodies. Jeez, I went to Captain Mike's Fish and got a... Wait a minute. I got a lot of leftovers to microwave. I'm excited because I got a bunch of leftovers I'm about to microwave. Oh no, I got a bunch of leftovers I'm about to microwave. Oh no. I guess it was a bad idea to microwave that fish, huh? Do you think? Anyway, why is it so easy to weigh a fish? Because they have their own scales. Honestly, how are you even employed right now? Anyway, we got a couple hours before the smell clears and we can finally go back inside. What do you want to do till then? I don't know. You want to do donuts in the parking lot and listen to some Leonard Skinner? Yeah, that sounds awesome. Just don't go too fast, all right? All right.